So welcome to my channel. Today we are starting a new series where I'll be solving problems related to sliding window. Okay, so today we are going to solve our first problem on sliding window. So you are given an integer array nums and consisting of n elements and an integer k. Okay, so we are given array integer, okay, and an integer k. Find a contiguous subarray whose length is equal to k. Okay, so we are given fixed size window problem, okay, k that has maximum average value and return this value. Okay, so this, okay, so this is the array, it's given array, and this is window size. So what the problem is asking is to how many windows can be there, right? This would be the first window of size 4. It is starting from element 0, I mean index 0, and it is ending at index 3. So let me write a formula for window size. Window size is equal to j minus I plus 1. Okay, why? Our window size is 4 and this index is 3 and first starting index is 0. So 3 minus 1 equal plus 1, it will return us 4. Okay, so this is how we will be calculating if our window size is equal to the given current. Okay, so what we need to find? We need to find average of this 4 element. So average is simple, just add up all these 4 values and divide it by 4. Okay, let me write the code, that would be easier. So I'm creating 2 pointers here, starting and ending index. We'll say currently both is pointing to our 0th index. Okay, while j less than nums dot length, okay, j plus plus what, okay, we have to return that. So I'll simply double sum 0 and double average, assign integer dot mean value. Okay, so I'm just current at every time we get our correct window size. What we will do, we will just check if the average of this window is greater than our current average. If it is greater than our current average, we'll simply update our average. Similarly, we will do for this second window. So how we are moving our window? We are simply removing the first element and adding the next element. That's how we are sliding our window. Similarly, for next window would be this, and we won't have other window after this. Okay, so I'll just write the code. If j minus I plus 1 equal k, then we have got our window size. Okay, now we have got our window size. Before that, I'll need to do some assign sum plus nums j. Okay, so we are going to update our average every time our window hit the threshold. Okay, so here I'll just update max or current average and sum by 4. Now our window size is this window. We have calculated the value for this window. Now we don't need it, so we need to slide our window. So what I'll do, I'll just remove the first element, assign sum minus nums I and I'll increase the I pointer. So after, okay, so suppose we have got our this first window, okay, and then we have calculated our average, and we have updated it if it is greater than our previously stored is integer dot mean value. So obviously for the first case it comes this as greater, whatever is greater it will update to the average. So the average of this 4 is I think 112 13 minus 2 by 4 0.5. okay, so 0.5 is stored. So at this point we have calculated for this window, so we will shrink the window from the starting. So I'll need to remove 1 to and a current point I is pointing to the start element. Okay, so sum minus num size, then I'll just increase I pointer. So this is our new window size after we calculated for that, and then again loop comes and it will check, it will add it to j to this sum, it will be equal 51 or something, and it will again calculate and update it, and again for that case it will come here, j would come here, and it will do that. Okay, I'll simply return average here, and let's see if this code is correct or not. Okay, there is some error, window size. Okay, I can remove it. Okay, it is failing 1.25. we don't need to do here for hard coding, we need to divide it by k, whatever the window size is given. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much simple. Thank you for your time. I'll meet you in the next video.